Hello everyone, this is Aurelia at Aurelia's Crafting Ideas. I have a Dollar Tree haul to share with you and I hope that you will join me. On my trip to the Dollar Tree this week, I picked up some more crushed glass. I picked up another bag of the light green color and I bought one last week, so I'm happy to found another one. I also got the dark green one and I picked up 2 bags. So these you get 8.5 ounce per bag. And then I also found this one. This is the peach tone, and they only had one in stock, so I picked up one. I picked up some yarn. They have this one in stock now. These are new to Dollar Tree this season. It's just cotton, and I found it in faded denim and hazelnut. I'm quite looking forward to see what other colors that they will have. So I got one each of those. And then I also picked up one of these. This is the Just Yarn worsted, and it's in the color white. So quite happy I found those. I really am looking forward to see what new colors that they'll have in this Just Cotton collection, because these you can use in tassels, you can use it to threading, things like that. You can use it as cording. Multiple uses for this Just Cotton one. I'm quite happy with those. I also picked up some fabric. I picked up another one of these gray ones. I picked up one last week. Hopefully you took a look at my Dollar Tree haul from last week. So I got one more of the dark gray, and it's gonna, go really well with my beef fabric. And then this is new to my Dollar Tree this week, and all these colors came out of one box. This just came off the truck this week, and I found this one in the box, so I picked it up. It's the red, white, and blue one. I like it. Just in time for 4th of July. And then I picked these up, and I was thinking like autumn, fall, harvest. Yeah, I'm thinking ahead. So I picked up one of those, and then I picked this one up too. I really like the color combination on this one. Look at that, how cute. I found one of those, and then I picked up this black and white gingham fabric, and black and white checked, you can use it in everything, so I'm quite happy to have found that one. I also picked up the stencil. This is the sea creatures. I did not have this in my collection, so I need this for a project, so I'm quite happy Dollar Tree has it. And yeah, I like the sizes on these. I think that's just the right size for scrapbooking. So I picked up one, and then I picked up 2 of these flower stickers. You get 12 flowers in each package, and then these, look at these flowers, you get a pearl center on each flower. Very cute, right? I picked up the white ones because I want to color mine to match my craft. But they do have, I believe, like 3 or 4 different colored ones. So take a look when you go visit your Dollar Tree. I'm quite happy they had the white one in stock. And they come in butterflies too, if you need butterflies, that is. And then I am quite happy I found this black salad plate. I know, right? So for the longest time, all they had was the dinner plates and the cups, but I wanted the salad plate in the black color. So I'm quite happy that they finally got some. So I picked up one, And I need this for my Halloween project. So that came home with me. And look at this. This is the treasure find of the week. I picked up 5 of these. This is Aces Grip phone ring and desk stand. Look at this. I paid $1.25 each. I bought, let's see, 3 of the dark gray ones. And I picked up 2 of the silver ones. So this is a magnet mount compatible phone ring and desk stand. It says the grip that does it all, and it's supposed to, your phone's supposed to turn 360 degrees. And then if you have that magnetic attacher for your vent on your car, you can definitely put your phone on there. See there, like that. And then here's the handheld. And then you can use it as a stand also. I'm curious, how much does it cost really if you like went to elsewhere for that. Amazing. I bought 5, and this is not going to be for a craft project. I bought these for stocking stuffers. Look at that. Amazing, right? I'm quite happy to have found those. And then the last items I picked up are these too. Look at that. I also picked up 5 of these. Look at this. I was testing them. They're magnetic. And then these are for stocking stuffers too. Look at that. Amazing. So this is Blue Lounge cable yo-yo. So you're supposedly, you can wrap your cord around this ring here and then just strap your earbuds right in the center, and they'll stay. See, like that. Cute, right? So it's supposed to be tangle free, quick release, and organized. We all need that in our life with our earbuds and ear pieces, right? And not just that, anything with a cord that you want to, keep untangled. Yeah, just ring it around there. Like your USB cord. I wonder if it'll fit in there. I'm willing to give it a try. Like your battery charger cords. I am quite happy with my Dollar Tree. There's some amazing finds this week. I am really happy with that. I am, these are treasure finds, but I am actually really happy I found my black salad plate. The things we find for our enjoyments, right? I mean, thank you, Dollar Tree. I hope that you find what you're looking for at your Dollar Tree on your next trip, and that you find everything you have on your wish list. This is Aurelia at Aurelia's Crafting Ideas, and I will see you next time.